front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Changing font size is one of the first things you should do while setting up new device. If you want to do it on this tablet, follow all of those steps, because I can assure you I changed font size on literally every Samsung I ever recorded, and it's pretty much the same in all models. All you need to do is go into Settings, scroll to access Display, and then scroll again if your font size is a little bigger, to hit Font Size and Style section. Now adjust your font size thanks to this slider at the bottom and check out Preview at the top. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!